Hi, today we're going to show you how you can install your vStream Workspace on your iPhone. First, find the remote desktop client you downloaded. From there, select the plus button in the upper right corner, and then select Remote Resources and Email or URL tab. Type in online.mysecureapps.me and then select the Done button when complete. From there, you're going to look for the Find Feed up in the upper right corner of your screen. From there, select Add User Account and type in your email address and password you were provided and click Save. After that, your apps will appear and voila, you can select any app of your choosing where you can have all the resources that you would have on your local desktop. There you can see other apps such as Access, where you can click on that as well, and it'll open Access right straight from your iPhone. Enjoy, and thank you for letting us show you how you can install your new modern workspace.